Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to do a quick update on Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. Asked by some of my viewers to provide more videos and updates on this stock. So I'm going to do what I can, guys. There's still not a whole lot of information or any type of new information out on the stock. So what I'm going to do today is go over the charts, show you what kind of day we had for sure. And I'm going to share a chat that I had with Zion Oil and Gas yesterday. And then at the end of this video, we're going to go over the voting poll that I released in regards to the channel about which videos you guys would like to see. I want to just remind you guys about that on if you want to provide some feedback for the channel, because obviously I'm here for you guys. I want to make this as enjoyable and as informative as possible, whatever we're looking into. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research, and also smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave me a comment below. Really helps the YouTube algorithm out. So today, Zion Oil and Gas hit a high of about 70, almost 71 cents, and we finished the day off at about 65, almost 66 cents. Good day for us. We did bounce off out of undervalued territory like we talked about in our Sunday stock pick video. And like I talked about, if you got in at 58, 57 cents, you could have rode it to about 70 for a really good swing. I actually know somebody who did that today, so congratulations to him for doing that. But on a good thing for us, we did cross over from bearish to bullish as far as on the MACD. We're right at above fair value on this particular time period. We did have two candle closes above that green EMA line, but we still are trading below that SMA line, which is about 80.5 cents. Okay, so until we get to 80.5 cents and hold, we're still considered really to be in a downtrend. We haven't changed our pattern up just yet, but hopefully we can start having some green days ahead and start making our way into the right direction, especially if they release any type of update on the drilling process. So let's go ahead and get into the chat that I had yesterday, and we'll talk a little bit about it. All right, guys. So this is my chat transcript from yesterday, Tuesday, April the 6th. Okay, as you can see, I was talking to Zion Oil and Gas. Ben's a great guy, man. He's always like super helpful, to be honest with you. He always tries to do what he can, you know, and gives you as much information as he's allowed to. As you know, for those of you who have probably reached out to Zion Oil and Gas, they can't provide a whole lot of information other than what's already been released, right? So I started off the conversation with, I got an email last week stating that we were able to get a copy of a book from John Brown. Is that still available? And then they replied back saying that there was an above average wait time. So I just put all good, I'll wait. And then Ben says, hello, send an email with your address, including requesting a copy of the book to info@zionall.com. So FYI, if you wanted to get a book that John Brown mentioned in his last email, that's what you do. You just email them at info@zionall.com. Tell them you're an investor. Tell them your address. They'll send it over to you. So I'm definitely going to do that. I'm curious to see what this book's all about. And it goes on to say, oh, I will. And Ben says, thanks for your support, of course. Yeah, we have a little bromance going on there. And then I say, have there been any updates that I may not have seen? Hope all is going well. And then Ben goes on to say, our latest update was March 10th, but we are continuing to move forward with operations. So that's a good thing, guys. That's what I wanted to kind of hear was, hey, we're actually continuing to do the operations, nothing holding us down. That's good, right? So that's great. I'm assuming no news is good news. I know these things take time. And then I went ahead and just asked them flat out if he knew anything about the cash on hand, because I know a lot of people are talking about that, if they're going to run out of money or whatnot. And he says, I can't comment on any information on rumors that have not been previously addressed by the company. And of course, I asked about the date of completion. He tells me no. So kind of the same old, same old on that aspect, right? But the good thing is that the positive thing I got out of this, guys, is that we are moving forward with operations. And I did talk to them again today, and they said they are still currently in stage 2. Okay, so I'm assuming that the next update they're going to come out and talk about maybe they're in stage 3 or going to stage 3. But as of today, um, they did tell me that they were still in stage 2. So that's what I got from the chat today. So as he mentioned, the article on March 10th. Okay, we're going to go over that again for those of you who have not seen it, just so we can kind of refresh our memory. All right, guys, so this is from March 10th, 2021. It says, Dear followers and supporters of Zion, I'd like to take the opportunity to give each of you a quick update on our drilling operation. We are well underway on the second stage of the drilling campaign, heading towards the true vertical depth of 2,600 meters or 8,530 feet. So far, the drilling is going as anticipated with rates of penetration up 50% from stage one. The outlook of the next couple of weeks will see the crew navigate through a known zone of difficulty, which will slow down the vertical drilling depths as non-drilling services will be utilized to protect the borehole as well as preventing the loss of fluids in the area. Once the crew passes this particular zone, the drilling rates will continue to rise as we approach the second casing run and cementing operations around the end of the month. And then it goes about the unit program, which is actually done. So that was what they talked about on March the 10th, just to kind of remind you guys what that looked like. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have, guys, in regards to this quick update. As we do get more information, if we get any type of PR or any type of email or whatever, some type of update, I'll make sure to make another video for you guys. That way you can stay up to date. All right, guys, and here is the poll that I talked about, and it looks like ZNOG is in the lead with 28.6%, ZNOG of 21.4%. We have hemp in third, which has actually they're tied with ZNOG with 21.4%, and then genus, SNPW, GEVO, and other. The other was Tesla. Okay, in fact, one of the followers call it Tesla, my Esla. Okay, so if you haven't voted yet, if you want to give me your feedback, I'm going to link that in the description below. Go ahead and do that. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.